this point, I'm truly asking myself, that whole saying of men want peace in their life, the one peaceable woman, peaceful woman, is it really true? Because I mean, Mpumelelo is clearly debunking that whole thing with the amount of women he wants to have in his life. He quite frankly finds it peaceful and nice to have a whole lot of women. This whole drama yabo vuyokazi dibutirelo, clearly it's not shaking him. And clearly it's just making him want to have more women. Watch this video, guys, and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary.
Madoda, uma unentombi eyodwa and ikujabulisa, awucabanga mangase kuthiwa uney'ntombi eziwu-5.
Wait, did you hear that guy, guys? This guy, whoever this guy is basically saying, imagine if you're happy with one woman, imagine with 5. The way they keep lying to themselves, guys, ustresekile because of Vuyokazi basically left this side. Tirelo, they say, please don't come and bluff us. At times, I'm just like, I don't know the benefits. Maybe if you're a guy and you're listening to this, what is the benefits of having many women in your life? Is it the variety? Is it that you've got many women who are caring for you, who can do stuff for you? Because I definitely know if men normally complain for one woman that she's one woman who's gonna keep them accountable, like Uvuyokazi keeping Mpumelelo accountable, then how possible is it that you're gonna be happy with 5? I don't get it, you guys. But hey, Mpumelelo has just put a stamp, a final stamp that, listen, Abotirelo should just be comfortable that they are never going to be alone in their relationship. Those 7 wives Mpumelelo was talking about, listen, Ziseza, we are still going to see a future Uthando Nestempu featuring Mpumelelo and his maybe 7 wives. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.